Back at home base, Scott O'Grady arrived to a hero's welcome at Aviano airfield in Italy, nearer to Venice than his roots in Virginia, but it could hardly have been more American. Neil Diamond and F-16s in the air, a homecoming party watched by the whole of America.
It's absolutely great. Get Scott home.
Right off the bat, first thing I want to do is thank God. When I was out there, I knew you were all there behind me. I could hear you, and I knew it, and I knew that everything that could be possibly done was being done. I had no doubt in my mind about that. But at the pointy end of the spear, the people I want to thank are the people that came in there and risked. They say they were just doing their job, but they came in there, they risked their lives, get me out. If you want to find some heroes, that's where you should look, because those are the biggest heroes in the world.
Aviano couldn't contain its joy, nor could the pilot who picked up O'Grady's SOS message.
It's pretty hard to fly when you're crying, so it was a pretty emotional time for us all.
And for the man who survived 6 days and nights on insects and rainwater, something more palatable to celebrate with.